Okay. Macam dekat gym tu, elbow fix on your waist. Ni on your waist. Okay, sahabat dia tinggi nak rendah tak apa. Okay, you can make it tighten kalau you nak a bit more resistant, you pendekkan dia lah.
Okay.
Okay, and then you press down. And then inhale. Any effort you exhale Any effort exhale.
Alright.
Tu. Memang yang ni dia agak subtle sikit. Okay, then 3. Tapi slowly. Bila you release, you akan rasa the tricep muscle contract. Okay, down and then up. Okay. So ni the first one.
And apa ni, a set of 10 lah.
Yeah, 3
full for 3 seconds.
Okay, ideally between 8 to 12.
Okay.
8 to 12. One set 8 to 12.
And pull for 3 seconds.
Yes, boleh. You boleh hold for 3 seconds atau you just move slowly lah. Okay, maksud slowly tadi masa you push down tadi macam ni kan, push masa release tu 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
The release tu yang penting sebenarnya.
Okay.
You push down and then you release 1, 2, 3.
Because masa release tu dia contract kan.
Ya, betul. Okay, now yang satu lagi. Okay, now yang satu lagi. Okay, apa pun you adjust sendiri how much harder you want to feel. Okay. Ini selalu apa sebab saya akan pull, so you lean on something.
Okay.
So you have that angle. Atau nak sini pun tak apa. Okay, you at about that angle say sini maybe 45 daripada atas then you extend. So just move around the elbow.
Straighten the elbow.
And then straighten. You kena betul straight, tak nak sengit macam tu. So betul-betul straight. Plane dia sama. And then you straight. 2. Sama juga. And then you push 3 and then 1, 2, 3. Then you boleh rasa that dekat tricep tu. Even bila you push ni pun you dah rasa dekat tricep dah. And then you release. And then again. Sama. Set.
Okay. And then the third one.
Third.
And then the third one.
Third. Okay. Tengok kalau you kena lurus tau, kena plane, kena sama juga. Kalau you pegang dumbbell pun okey sebenarnya. Tapi kalau since you ada resistance band, dia pakai resistance band. Okay, and then you straight up. Ni pun you akan rasa kat sini. And then okay, any effort exhale
Okay.
and then release 1, 2, 3. And then press. And then 1, 2, 3.
Release slowly
Yeah, release slowly.
That's where the
you akan feel that
the tension lah.
Sebab selalu orang buat